อ switch sheets with these door guys because they're gonna kind of be happening after Tyler's ticket, but it's good just be happening.